Hey, it's AJ. We've got the indexing head blowtorch here, and I'm going to take you through how to use it and some of the features as well. So straight out of the box, you have a base here that's detachable, and the base is a real stabilizer. You can leave it sitting up like that. Another feature is it has a magnet on the bottom, so you can put it onto really anything you like. Okay, and it attaches on. I'm going to take you through how to actually use it, and before we get there, just want to highlight that it's an indexing head, so it has 3 different stop positions. So like this, and you just have to push this button and it locks in place. I'm going to leave it here because it's a little bit easy for us to go through. To start off with, there are some safety things here. You can't just use your finger on it, okay? And this is permanently locked. You need to push this side to side to start it, okay? So side to side and then ignite the flame. All right, once you've got the flame going, you can hold your finger down on it, or you can use this continue button here, and you've got a continuous flame. All right, and there you go. Another thing that it does have is it has a bit of a restriction here of air, so you can change the flow of air through to the flame, and it changes the intensity of the flame as well. So you can see it's not really a blowtorch anymore because I've taken all the air out of it. Put that back, and I've got a nice strong flame. On the other side here is a restriction of gas, so I can actually restrict how much butane goes through that, and I can make it more intense by putting it over to 4, or less intense by backing it off to number 1. Okay. To turn it off, all you need to do is just click the trigger down one more time, and it will disengage the continuous, and it's off. One other thing that you need to do and be very wary of is if you've left it on for a period of time, do not touch this area here. You can see that it's got a little do not touch sign. It's very hot, and just leave that to cool down. Okay, keep it out of the way of children's fingers, and you should be set. There you go.